So hello guys, in today's video we are going to solve LeetCode code August 24 problem. The problem name is 274. Input is a BST. So basically we are given one binary search tree and we have to find if there exists two nodes which are at different position and the sum equal to k. So this is a sample input. Let's say this is our tree. I hope you can see my pointer. Then we have 5 as a root, then left is 3, then another left is 2, then 4, 6 and 7, and here we have to find the sum which equal to 9. So you can see that 7 plus 2 equal to 9, so we have to return just root. And another sample case is 2 and 3, so here you can see that 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and we can also return true. And these are our constraints. So here you can see that 10 raised to 4 are the number of the nodes. So if this is the case, then basically, and by the way this is my answer, so don't look at it right now, just go up here up, and let's say and start to explain you. So here we have 10 raised to 4 length of all the nodes. So basically if you see, we have to answer in big O of n time complexity. Here also n log n also work. We are going to n log n also work. And okay, so first input 10 raised to, if the input size is 10 raised to 4, then these two solution can be accepted, and by the way log n is also accepted because log n is lower bound of n. So yeah, don't look at it because we have tree and we have to tree. Let me make it big so that you can see right now. Let's say control plus. Okay, we have tree. Let's take that simple example of 5 3 6 and 2 4 7. 5 3 6, then here 2 4 and right of it is 7, and this is null. I'm denoting it that. So what we have to do that, as you know, in order traversal of any tree will give you the element in the sorted order. So if we travels this tree in the in order and store that value of every node in the array, then we can get this answer 2 3 like left. So first of all we start from the root, then we are going to go then what in our mix. First we have to go left, then root, and then right. So this is a right, this is a node traversal sequence in order. So we have here root, so first of all we go left, then for this root we also go left, then here we do not have any child, this is leaf node, so we add it into the answer. Then we have our stack go to, or our cousin call go here, then we print 3, and then we are going to do right, and likewise for all, like 4, then we have 5, then 6, and then 7. So see, this is our in order traversal, and you can see it is in the sorted order. So we can use 2 pointers approach and 2 pointers approach, and like how 2 pointers work, like here is my I, and at the end I have to put my j, then I will sum these two, and in this case by default both sum are equal to the target, so we return 0 or we return true. Let's say we have to find sum is 10, or let's say not 10, let's say we have to find sum, okay, 6 plus 5, which sum it is 11. Let's say we have to find 11. So our current answer is 9, so we have to increment our I so that our answer total sum is greater. So it is very intuitive. If you see that we have 2 and 7 means we have maximum value and minimum value, and now we have to increase our answer. So if you have to increase our answer, so we have to change our minimum to next minimum. So our next minimum If 2 is not then it is 3. So this is the case, so we are going to increment it I. Our j is pointed to the same location. Then we again find the sum at sum is 10, so again we are increment I, so our I is present here. Then again we check that our sum is 11, so we return true here. So this is first approach. So first of all, in this approach we have to find in order traversal of tree and then store it into the array, and then by 2 pointers we can find our answer. I hope you can understand this. And another method will be the, if you do not want to store the element into the array or anything, so you definitely use set here, and with help of set you can put 2 here, 3, and in the end of our condition you can check that if I have 2, if I reach the 7 into 7 and target is 9, so if 9 minus 7 is present in my stack, if it's present then return true. So it is also the recovery goal, and these both are giving our answer into the big O pen only, because in order to take big O pen and at the same time I traversing the array is n, and n plus n is nothing but n only. And in the set we have not required to traverse the array, we can get it in constant time, but also we have to in the let's say our trees look like this, let's say we have here 2, then in the left part we have 3, then again in the bottom, that bottom part right of 3 is 4, then here is 5, then here we have 6, then here we have 7, then here we have 8, then here we have 9. So, and let's say we are going to find the sum is 2 plus 9 equal to 11. So in this case what happened here, we have starting from here and traversing all the nodes are required, so at the end I will get the answer, and it is nothing but big O pen. So I hope you can understand that these two approaches are big O pen solution. Okay, another solution will be let's say here our tree is, and there is another one solution I am going to explain you. Like here we have 3, then 4, then here we have 2, let's say, and again 4, and let's say here we have 5, and no, not, and in the left nothing is there, and here we have 7, and again we are going to find, let's say sum as 7 to 4, it will be 11, so we are going to find 11. So what this approach telling you, create 2 stack. In first stack put all the left side element, all the minimum element, and in the right stack put all the maximum element. So what our first stack will look like, so we are going to traverse till minimum value of the tree. So what is the minimum value of any VST? It is the leftmost child, root leftmost child will be the minimum value. Here you can see that 2 is the minimum value. So we have to just in order, we are in the 5, so 5 we have to put 3 and 2 and 5. So here it is our first stack S1, let's say, or SL, and in the next stack we are going to put maximum value till maximum value. So here we have 7, then we have 4, then we have 5. So this stack, like first 5 will insert, then 4 will insert, then 7 will insert. So this is our stack. So if you carefully observe these two stacks, so what that top value is giving us, first minimum and second and first maximum value. Okay, so it is giving you minimum and maximum value. What we are going to do in 2 pointers approach, if you carefully see that, let's say sorry for that, let's say we have in order of this is like 2, 3, 4, then we have 5, then we have 4 again, and then we have 7, here we have 5. Okay, sorry for this mistake, but let's make it 3 so that our tree will our tree will be, sorry for this mistake, I will put valid binary tree. Let's say we have 5, then here is small value, here is bigger value, then we have 2 here, then we have 4 here, then we have null here, and 5 here, 7 here. So our S1 stack will be look like 2, 3 and 5, and S2 stack will be look like 7, then we have 6. I hope you can understand it, and then 5. This is our S1 stack, which is storing leftmost child, or you can next minimum child. This is more precise way to say. S2 will store on S2 we will get next maximum value, and S2 S1 we will get next minimum values. And now what we have to do, we have to just sum up two top values like 2 plus 7, and here we are going to find answer is equal to 11. So let's sum up this 2 plus 9, so it is 9. So we have to know then our main answer, we have our current answer is less than our target answer, so we have to increment our sum. So for incrementing the sum we have to find next maximum value, next bigger value than this 2. So what is next bigger value than this 3? But how will we code that? So we have to, and by the way this is leaf node, so we do not have to traverse like left or right, so both are null. So we are going to go to the parent. So here we have 3, then we simply pop our 2 here basically, and now we have 3 and 7. Our sum now is 3 plus 7, and it is 10. Again our target is greater than, so now it is main approach like our 3. Now let's see binary search, how we can do. Here we have x value, we have here y value, simple 3 structure binary. Here we are list, so it is for the y is less than x and x is less than e. This is the basic condition. So what we are, I am trying to tell you that in a left subtree of any root we have the bigger smaller value, and in the right subtree we have the bigger value. So finding the next maximum value, next bigger value than 3, so we have to first look at its right part, where if its right part has maximum value, then we have to put that, not root here, because for you can see 2 both are null, so we have to go to the root. And here we have 4, then we can also put, so basically 3 is in the, we pop out our 3 because 3 is work is done, so we put 4 here, then we simply sum up both two things, and we got 11 as the answer, and we simply return true. So this approach might think very different, but it is also in the big of n only, and in the maximum time we are going to also use extra space as open, and at the same time approach is like first to approach only, but it is more optimal way to using extra space, because here in the stack we are going to store only maximum or minimum value, not all value in the stored in the stack at the same time. So yeah, this is our explanation. And what in each case, like if we have only maximum value, then our first stack will be the minimum only. So okay, let's see in each case what this approach will do. Like I am saying that let's say we have 3 like 5, then it write as 7, it here is I am 7s, then 8s, then 9, then 10. So how our stack will look like right now. So if you now I am representing it in horizontal. So what is our first value will be pushed into the stack. In the first stack will be 5, and we do not have any value left. And what is about 7 second stack, so we have 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so our top is 5, so we sum up these two because we have only 5 value, and let's say we find target equal to, let's say 9 plus 7, which will equal to 16. So we have to find 16 value. So if you see both top value, then it is 15, so we have to increment our answer. So what we do, we go to the right of for inserting the value, we got right into the stack. And let's say here also we have some value, let's say here we have also again 5, not, it is not possible. We have 5 here. Let's say 7 is not present here. I'm going to explain what further we have to do. Like we have 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and yes, this is our stack, and is the left of it. See, left of 6 we have here we have 7, and left of it we have 6. I'm just maintaining that binary as 3 conditions. So here we are going to have 7. Now 6 never goes into the any stack. Like here we reach that 7, and we see that okay, 10 plus 7 equal to 17. So now my answer is bigger, though I have to decrement it. So here I will get answer. I'm just okay, I have I at 5 only. So let's start from the beginning only. 5 plus 10 is 15, and 15 is less than 16, so we have to increment our answer. So our pointer will be at 7, not 7. Like this is the ratio. We first of all you have to go find bigger values, and then you are going to get we are going in right direction. Then if we have to find next maximum value such that it is minimum, so we have to again go till the left till the our pointer is not become to null. So our pointer here 6 will be in the stack, and 5 will be the pop. So we have here 6 only. And let's say here also there are some value like also x, let's say in the left of stack we have 2, although this is not value binary search, but these are the values, then our stack will be like this. I hope you can understand the condition in the for finding the next minimum value, and for next maximum value we go to first left, then till right, then our stack will not become empty. So yeah, these are 2 approaches. So let me show you the code. So this is our first approach. I am comment out both the things. So you can see that our public main function is here only. So where is our main function, and here our main function lies. So first and 2 method are like find in order traversal, then store it in the answer array, and then finding this if there are by 2 pointer, find that if there are exists or 2 not. So what I am doing starting, I create one stack only. Not first of all I create one stack, because we can see you can, I think you can know that you can do in order traversal tree in the both way, because by using stack. So I implemented both method here for saying you can understand both the concept here, because as well recursion is also where we can use our stack is very important. So and then we have our array. Then first of all I am temp into the equal to root, then I am finding recursively in order here. So if we go in the method of in order, so you can see it is simply in order implementation, and all the value are in the sequence. I am adding into the array. Then here I have find function which will find if the values exists or not by the help of simple 2 pointer method. So you can assume that by in order our answer is ready, so we do not require this step here. So we simply call find if answer is x case exists answer or not. And another way is if I do not do by this thing, so I can use stack. So first of all I will run the loop till the temp is not equal to null or stack is not empty, both conditions not fulfilled, and till temp is not equal to null, then I will push all the temps into the stack and I will go to the left. So you can assume that I am going to the leftmost child. Then if my temp is null, then I have to go right, because and I have to add that value into the end, because what we are going to do in order, we go to left, then we go to the root, then we go to the right. That simple thing I am doing here. So you can see it is simple code, but you can understand it. And then we have to just find. So these are first 2 method, like we can find in order in the recursion way or in the simple way. And here third approach, what I am telling, that we do not need to store the answer into here. You can just put when you pushing the temp into the stack, you can simply put here, not here. When you pushing into the arc, let's say you have one hash map or set, so you can put into the set also, and every time you can check if k minus temp dot value exit in the set, so we simply return true. I hope you can understand that approach. I am not implementing it because I want you to try it, because here only 2-3 lines are changed in this method, and this is a large method which we use two step, and we have two step, and we have temp equal to root. And what I am trying to first give reach till the leftmost or minimum value, so how we can do temp equal to temp dot net, and all the node I am push into the stack. Then we same for the right thing, and we push all the value in the temp right. And if both one of them is empty, though our condition by default will be the false. And if this is not the case, we are going to in the loop. I am getting two top values, then if two are the same, where this condition will happen, if you little bit see. So what in my stack here, if I here s1 has value like 532 and here is 567, so at some time this root will come 2 times, and let's say I have to find some 10, so here my approach will give 10, but here we have to find 2 different root do node, so we are just checking that condition. I guess you can understand easily. And if I am found the sum, then I will return true. Otherwise, if my k is greater, then I have to go next minimum value rather than s top स्टैक s1 का टॉप, s1 के टॉप में जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगी उसके अलावा जाना है मुझे, मिनिमम वैल्यू होगी उसके अलावा जाना है मुझे. आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. देन आई विल गो फर्स्ट टॉप राइट. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लाइक हियर इज अवर लेफ्ट, एंड we are go first go left, then we are going to right. So we have to next maximum value which is maximum value which is bigger than minimum value which is bigger than current temp. So we are going to do the same thing. And for reverse condition, our sum is greater, so we have to find next minimum value which is not maximum value, which is smaller than current temp to value. And at the end, if we find answer, then we return true, otherwise we return false. So let's submit our this tag code only. I also submit these two code, and I am telling you that we open solution will work. So these two also submitted successfully. So let's submit it, and you can see that our answer is expected. And if you see in the more details, so yeah, our speed is bigger than our runtime is bigger than 50%, and memory usage is bigger than 47.31%. And if you let me show you other options, like first time I will solve this, you can see that I have solved it many approach. Like this approach is also if it go show me the state of, okay, here I am not getting that answer. Okay, point 2. Okay, so this is for our this current problem solution. I am explaining more all three. Okay, I am explaining only all three possibilities. There are many possibilities. I am explaining all that because of I want you to know more about any approach. We have many solution of one type, and do using two step. Although in this problem there is not much or not as much difference than so storing it anywhere or using step. Both are same, because big O and space complexity is always same. Like we are always interested in uppermost, so it is same. But thinking about in the stack where you can stack it in many problems, it is very useful. So I am explaining this approach. I hope I am able to convey my understanding to you. And if not, then feel free to comment it. And thank you for watching this video. I will show, and now from today I will regularly upload the solution of any LeetCode challenge. By in this August I am uploading first only, because I am starting from today only. So in the next of all month I will upload regular solution which problem I can solve in the day, or otherwise I will solve by any another reference and learn that concept, and then I will give you the idea of that problem and give the solution, and then you can solve by it on. and the code of this problem, like this same code, I will copy paste into the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.